Most shower remodel budgets don't blow up because the homeowner overspends. They blow up because no one explained what actually drives the cost. Hi, I'm Curtis McGrath from Bytown Better Baths and Showers. Today, I'm breaking down what really influences the cost of a shower remodel in Ottawa so that you can set realistic budgets and avoid surprises before the work even begins. When it comes to shower remodel costs, the biggest thing to understand is the pricing is not random, because it's usually driven by a few key decisions that shape the project right from the very beginning. One of the biggest factors is how much you're changing the space. If you're replacing the existing shower or keeping the layout the same, costs tend to stay more controlled. Once plumbing locations move, walls are altered, or the footprint changes, the project becomes more complex, and that naturally affects the budget. So right away, knowing whether you're refreshing or redesigning helps set expectations. Another factor is material, because this is where the homeowner sees the widest price differences. Acrylic systems, solid surface panels, tile, each option comes with its own balance of durability, maintenance, and installation time. Tile offers flexibility in design, but requires more labor and ongoing upkeep. Other systems are designed to be more efficient and lower maintenance, but quality matters. Another thing many homeowners don't think about at first is what's behind the walls, especially in older homes. Issues like water damage, outdated plumbing, or improper past installation aren't always visible until the work begins. That's why addressing these problems correctly adds cost, but skipping them leads to bigger expenses later. This is one of the most common homeowner concerns we hear, and it's why proper assessment upfront is so important. Then there are the extras and upgrades that personalize your space. Built-in niches, benches, upgraded fixtures, and custom glass are all features that can greatly improve how the shower feels and functions every day. Each one adds to the budget, but when chosen intentionally, they add a real value instead of unnecessary expense. And when you step back, you can see that shower remodel costs come down to a combination of scope, material, existing condition, and customizations. Once those pieces are understood, the process feels less underwhelming. That's why we offer an online pricing estimator. It gives homeowners a realistic starting range based on their choices before any in-home visit. It's not a final quote, but it does remove a lot of the uncertainty early and helps homeowners plan with confidence instead of guessing. Knowing your budget range early helps you plan smarter and avoid unnecessary expenses. So if you're thinking about a shower remodel, start with clarity and take it from there with Bytown Better Baths and Showers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful renovation advice. See you on the next one.